I am very excited to tell you that I finally got my own lathe. I started lathe lessons about a year ago with my friend Charlie, and finally I got my own. It's a 510 from Victum, the Pro version with 1.5 horsepower, single phase, and it's an amazing tool. It's the lathe itself is 62 kilograms, and together with the base, it's around 100 kilograms. So that's a hefty bit of equipment, and I'm very excited about this because I've been working on prototypes, as you know, of different tools I want to be making, such as this chip breaker screwdriver or this awl here and many other things. So soon enough, I'm gonna be able to make my own limited edition tools for my membership subscribers, and so very happy about this. I was a little bit afraid of the weight of this for the transport. It came in a 131 kilogram pallet, but it was all very neatly distributed in boxes. So, with the help of a very kind friend, I could manage it very well and bring it here to the workshop on my own almost. And installation wise, it's been very simple, very convenient to do. The base, finally, I wanted to make my own base, but then in the end, I decided to go for the ready-made bit of equipment. It's quite hefty, thick, thick iron, and you can assemble it very easily, single-handedly almost. So it's very convenient. And I actually have the extension table also, which will give me a distance, working distance of over 1 meter. So I can do almost anything I can think of on this one. And I can always install the extra length when I need it. For now, I'm just gonna leave it this way. And I think I'm nearly ready to turn it on now. I can't wait to know more about this. And my teacher is gonna come and we'll have a thorough deep dive on this machine. And I'll be able to tell you all the good things and the bad stuff and the things I would change. Although I'm not an expert myself, but my teacher is, and I can give you my experience. So far, it's been very good, very easy, and it seems to be very good quality, very good value for the money, as everything these people do. And I think I'm gonna have lots of fun, and I hope to be sharing that with you. So stay tuned for more, and soon enough, I'll tell you about my new findings. Okay, so first sensations. It's surprisingly steady, as it should be actually. Uh, really, really steady at all speeds, no vibrations. It feels comfortable. I think I matched the height, which is still adjustable. I'm missing, of course, dust collection, proper dust collection, which is the next thing I'm gonna set up here. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. So stay tuned for more, and remember to like this video if you liked it, and see you in the next one.